How to download playlists from YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download a playlist from YouTube. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the YouTube app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you're inside the YouTube app, just tap on the search icon and simply search for the video that you want to include in the playlist. For this video, I'm going to simply search for surfing, and here once I've searched for it, I'll get numerous video on the search result. So here I'm going to simply locate the video that I want to add on the playlist, and here for this video I'm going to simply select this two video. So here I'm going to simply tap on three dots next to it, and from the pop-up menu I'm going to simply tap on save to playlist. But I haven't created any playlist, so here I'm going to create new playlist by tapping on new playlist button. And here once I've done that, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu I'm going to simply set the playlist settings. So here I'm going to simply name it surfing, and I'm going to set the visibility to public. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to simply tap on create. And here once I'm done creating the playlist, I'm going to simply save the video to that playlist. So here I'm going to simply go to the next video and tap on three dots next to it, and from the pop-up menu I'm going to simply tap on save to playlist, and after that I'm going to simply select surfing. And here once I'm done with that, I'm going to simply tap on profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here once I'm in the profile section, I'm going to simply tap on playlist. So here once I'm here, I'll see the list of all the playlists that I have saved. So here I'm going to simply select the playlist and open it. And now here once I'm inside the playlist, at the top right side you can see the download icon. So just tap on it, and once you do that, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu just tap on OK, and that's it. That's how you can download playlists from YouTube. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.